We're going to start with our teacher presentations. Class 1, they teach all subjects, Tariq, Iqra, and Fiqh. We have 14 students in that class, and I would like to introduce two young teachers from the amazing youth of our community who have been teaching Sunday school in our community for a few years. They are Sister Hiba and Sister Sukaina. Let's welcome them with a loud salawat.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sukaina and
I'm Hiba.
and we are the class 1 teachers.
We will be teaching Fiqh, Akhlaq, and Tariq. Each week we will focus on a different subject. Because of the very short period of time we have with the students each week, it's more beneficial for the students to only focus on one subject or one topic a week rather than trying to jam all 3 subjects into one day. We have a 45-minute time slot before lunch, which we will use to review last week's lesson as well as teach them a new lesson. And after lunch, in the 30 minutes that we have, we will review what was learned in the morning and emphasize the important points. One of the most important things we use while teaching is asking the children questions and repeating the main points over and over again, because that's one of the most important things while teaching, because it helps the students retain the information for a long period of time.
Okay, so the activities we will do in class is that we will use Islamic coloring books and also a lot of hands-on learning and activities that connect with the lesson of that day. So for example, since Eid is coming up next week, so we're going to make Eid cards so that way the students can understand the purpose of that Eid and also have fun doing so.
In doing the activities, we believe that giving the kids positive reinforcement is a really good technique to keep them engaged. So whether that be stamps or stickers on their paper or just telling them like a simple good job with a smile on your face, it can really help the kids be more engaged, and it helps them know that their work is being appreciated. So depending on the number of students we have in class present on any given day, we will be separating the kids into 2 groups. There's no real guideline for why the groups are being separated. We just, it's easier for the students to focus on the teacher when there's a smaller number of students present. Each group will be taught the same lesson, so whether it's me teaching or Sukaina, we'll be teaching them the same thing. And there's no real advantage as to what group they're in. It's just easier for the students to focus when there's less students in class.
So, as a last note, I would like to assure all the parents that we have the kids' best interests in mind and we will do our best to fulfill our duties. Thank you.